Good morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we are ready to go for Schiphol for Photoshop World and of course the workshops in New York. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors and of course the following episodes, which will take place in Las Vegas and New York. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, smash that like button. Most of all, tell other people about it. Let's go. Okay, Brian is bringing us to Schiphol, as usual. Now, this trip has something different from other trips. It's the first time ever I'm not traveling with a laptop. I'm only bringing the iPad Pro. Now, don't worry, we don't take any risks. Anouk still has her laptop with her. But I hope to not use the laptop. So we're going to do all photography, video, presentations, whatnot more, all on the iPad. Exciting, because iPad OS is not out yet, so it's still a little bit struggling, but I have high hopes. So let's go to Schiphol. One advantage of driving around at 6:30 on a Sunday morning, no traffic. Wait till we hit Amsterdam probably. Look, a car. Love seeing these windmills. I'm a big supporter for renewable energy, so yeah. Up until now, relatively quiet, and everything's going as planned. So we're very much on time. And look at this. This is the check. Normally it's jam-packed here. This is gonna be fast. Awesome. Okay, now that was security. Now look at the clock over there. It's really cool. Over there, they actually project somebody behind it, and every minute they draw a new line. Isn't that awesome? Could stay here all day. Not. The plane arrived. Okay, arrived in Detroit. Now we have to pick up the luggage and then actually go through security. So this is always stressful. Okay, we went through customs really fast. There's absolutely nobody, just look behind me. So now picking up the luggage and then checking in again, because every time you go to America, when you go in, you have to check your luggage and check it again. So when we go back, they actually travel back to the Netherlands. But when you go into America, the first port you actually land, that's where you have to go through customs, over immigration, get your luggage, and then check it in again. And we have 2 hours to switch planes. Pretty doable. Okay, on our way to the gate, security went pretty fast, but they had to take all the camera gear, all the lenses out, so
all your shoes,
all the shoes. So we have to go out 2 times through the security. But hey, we've done it. Now let's go to A76 for our flight, and it's huge here. Wow, look at the huge rain. I hope we don't get any delays. Arrived in Vegas. And what is the first thing you see in Vegas? Yes, slot machines on the airport. Oh, why not? Not my thing. Okay, first baggage claim to get our suitcases and then to the hotel. Okay, welcome in Vegas. It feels incredibly hot, so yeah, that's Vegas. Now, normally Photoshop World was actually at the Mandalay, and this year it's the first time we're actually in a new hotel, the Mirage. So we're on our way there now. It's unbelievable how many rooms they have here. It's the same as the Mandalay, just one big maze. Look at that. As far as you can see, over here, as far as you can see, these hotels are huge. Home sweet home for the coming few days of Photoshop World. Really looking forward to it. Okay, after almost 24 hours up, 24 hours ago the trip started, we arrived in the Mirage for Photoshop World. Now comes the hardest part. It's 18:40, so that's 6:45, and we have to stay awake up until at least 10 o'clock, and that's the hard part. So we're gonna grab something to eat, maybe edit the vlog, and then probably just fall asleep and wake up tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the morning, because we love jet lags. Not really. So that was it for today. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, smash that like button because we really like that. Most of all, tell other people about it. Tomorrow, a vlog about Las Vegas. And then Photoshop World.